Alright guys, welcome back to the new video. So in this video we are going to learn how we can create a new project in pycharm and create our first project in our Python. So for that you need to create open pycharm. So it is in our desktop, so you can open it from here. Otherwise, if it's not in your desktop, you can open it from your start menu. So just write the pycharm and there you will see the installed application. And after the pycharm has been just opened, there you will see a window like this. So there you need to click on the new project. There you need to go give the project name. So I'm just leaving it as default like Python project. Otherwise you can just change this name like Python learning project. Okay, so thereafter you have to select the base interpreter as this one, and there would be available multiple if you would have installed multiple interpreters. So at the end there you will see a create main.py welcome script. So if this checkbox is clicked, you will get a already created Python file. Click on create. So now it is creating a new project for us. It's creating the virtual environment for us. Okay, so now so main.py has been just created automatically by the pycharm. It's just giving you some suggestion of the tag and just leave it as it. And this is the main.py file by default that pycharm gives you, and there in the bottom there you will see the project has been loading. Its files are loading and other indexing are being loading, and interpreter as well. Okay, so it will load all these assets for the first time, and indexing maybe later on every time we will open. Okay, so now you can just right click on anywhere. So there you will see some run option are disabled for now because our project is being loading. So we'll wait for some time. So our project has been successfully loaded, all the files and the interpreter as well. So there you will see a window like this. Okay, so you will see at the left side you will see the project files. This is our virtual environment files, and this is our main py file. So just close this one, and we have to be like in this directory structure. So this is our Python project, the Python learning project. This is our project name, and this is our virtual environment files, and this is our main file. Okay, so you can at the right side, so you will, if you will remove all the files from the editor, this will be, it will look like this. Okay, so you have to just click on two time click on main.py file, so it will be opened here. So we can just run it. You can run it from at the top green color, this run icon, and you can right click over here and run it like run main. Okay, so you can see hi pycharm. So this is the output, how you will see the output in pycharm. Okay, so we are just removing everything. So we are gonna write our custom project. Okay, so for example, welcome to. Okay, so we can also just run and test whether it is working or not. So there you can see welcome to Python. Okay, so this is our the first application in Python. So I'll also let you know how to create a new file rather than this main.py file. So click on this project, on file, click on new. There you will see a lot of file options. So from there you will have to select the Python file. I'll let you learn what are all other files, what they are being used for. Click on Python file, and here you will have to write like any name like hello. So this is a new file. Okay, so there are two files now. One is at the left, hello and main. Okay, so if we close all of them, so if you have to open any one of them, so you can select and press enter, or you can double click on this. So this hello py file is just empty for now. You just have to write something like print. You have to write a print function to print anything on the screen, abcd, or anything whatever you want. You Okay, so you can run it. Okay, so abc you can see. So that's it for this video. See you in the next video.